guys. Ayun, si Miming. Nakikita nyo guys. Ayun. Hello, Ming! Hala, tingnan nyo yung saan yung kamay niya guys. O, nilagay. Nilagay niya sa saan ng ano. Sa paso dito guys. Ming, bakit andyan ang kamay mo, Ming? Ha? Ming? Bakit dyan nakalagay ang kamay? Ganun ang forma mo, Ming. Ha? Hala, masira na yun. Ano mo, Ming? Oh, ang ano natin, Ming. Masira na yan. Oh, tingnan mo, anong ginagawa mo dyan sa kamay mo, Ming? Andyan man talaga. Hala, ayaw magsagot. Ming, ha? Bakit? Bakit, Ming? Hala, hala, may nakita siya sa taas, guys. Ano, bird. Lumilipad-lipad ang bird. So, maganda talaga ang ano, panahon natin ngayon, guys. Oh. Ayun, sa nakikita nyo, guys. Ang ganda. Kaya naisipan ko tuloy maglaba kasi ang ganda ng weather. The weather is so good. Yun, very good. Very hot. Ayun. So, yun tayo. Ayun, Miming. The hands is still there. His hand. Ayun, the hands of Miming. Why, Ming? Your hands is there. Ha? Hala? So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Andun na si Miming. So, yun. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching guys. Miming is there. He go down. Ayun. Yan. You feel good there, Ming? You feel good? Huh? You feel good there? Do you feel good? Huh? Ming? Do you feel? Hala? Ming, you do love kay Mimi. Ayun, ayun. Do love kay Mimi, Ming. You do love. Ming, do love kay Mimi, Ming. Ming. Ayun si Miming, guys. So, yun lang, guys. Ganun talaga yun si Miming. Ayun. Ah, okay. You love Mimi? Agoy. Don't bite. Don't do love bite, Ming. You do love Ming? Huh? You do love Mimi? Okay. Very good. Very good si Miming. Ay, naku, napaka-sweet naman. Napaka-sweet ni Miming. So, yun. Okay. Ayun. Oh. Okay, Ming, you feel good, Ming? Or you feel hungry na? Okay, you feel hungry? Okay, Ming. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys.